Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2017 Honda CR-V Sport, stock reference number 7444. This shape runs from the 5th month 2017 through to the 8th month 2023. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has one small dent. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel.